If you're growing cannabis, one of the biggest questions growers ask is, should I top my plants or FIM them? Both techniques are popular plant training methods designed to increase yields, improve canopy structure, and help plants produce more bud sites. Today, we're breaking down topping versus FIMing, how each technique works, the pros and cons of both, and which one might be the best choice for different grow setups. What is topping? Before we jump in, remember, this channel is for viewers over 18, and our content is purely educational. We're not here to promote or encourage illegal activity. In the UK, cannabis cultivation remains illegal without a license. What we are doing is learning plant science and helping beginners avoid common mistakes. Before you go legends, quick one. If you enjoy the cannabis content here on Budfellas, I've just launched a brand new channel called CBD Only. It's all about funny skits, relatable moments, and those classic "why did I do that" situations we've all had. If you've ever tried to act normal when you definitely weren't, you'll fit right in. The link is in the description, so go check out CBD Only and join the vibe. What is topping? Topping is one of the most well-known plant training techniques used by growers. Instead of allowing the plant to grow with one dominant main stem, the grower removes the top growth tip known as the apical meristem. Once that top growth is removed, the plant redirects its energy into the two growth nodes directly below the cut. Instead of one main cola, the plant produces two main branches. Over time, these branches can be topped again, creating 4, 8, or even more main growth tips, depending on how the plant is trained. The goal of topping is to break the plant's natural apical dominance and encourage a wider, bushier structure rather than a tall Christmas tree shape. Benefits of topping include better light distribution, a more even canopy, stronger branches, and potentially larger yields when the plant is managed correctly. However, topping is considered a high-stress training method because the plant loses part of its growth structure and usually needs a few days to recover. What is FIMing? FIM stands for I missed, a nickname that came from growers accidentally missing the correct topping cut and discovering a different growth result. Instead of removing the entire growth tip like topping, FIMing removes roughly 70–80% of the new growth at the top of the plant. This partial cut can confuse the plant's growth hormones and sometimes produce 3 to 5 new shoots instead of just 2. Because the plant keeps part of the growth tip, recovery can sometimes be slightly faster compared to topping, although results are less predictable. Yield potential, the biggest question growers ask, is which technique produces bigger yields. The truth is, both methods can increase yield depending on how well the plant is managed afterwards. Lighting, nutrients, genetics, and environment all play major roles in final harvest size. Topping tends to produce a more predictable plant structure and is commonly used with training techniques like screen of green setups or low-stress training. FIMing can sometimes create more growth tips with a single cut, which can lead to faster canopy expansion. However, the structure can be less uniform and may require additional training. Which method is best for beginners? For beginners, topping is usually easier to learn because the cut is simple and results are predictable. FIMing requires a more precise partial cut and sometimes takes practice to achieve consistent results. Neither topping nor FIMing automatically guarantees bigger yields. They are simply tools growers use to encourage multiple colas and better light distribution across the plant. Many experienced growers experiment with both techniques to see which works best for their specific environment and plant genetics. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more educational plant training tips and horticulture guides. Always make sure you understand and follow the laws in your local area.